night. I'm hoping that I'll go and talk to you, but contemplating every time. I'm blowing every shot I got with you. I'm a ghost, I'm a downright wreck. They tell me break a leg, but I'll probably break my neck. At least that's what it feels like. Heart beating so fast, trying to slow it down so I can keep up with the program. Why is it so difficult? My whole life feels like I've been invisible, just like a video game I can't beat. And you're the boss at the end, that's invincible. And I just need some confidence. And by your looks, girl, I think you got a lot of it. Like a milkshake, vanilla and chocolate, mixing opposites. Now time to put the cherry on top of it. I've been known to wait too long for everything in life, but now it's time to change my ways, 'cause my heart won't stay inside. My feelings are escaping me. I've been holding on so long. My feelings are escaping me. I've been holding on too long. Hey, I think it's about time. Walking up, making sure that my hair looks fine. Pretend a movie scene, boosting my self-esteem. Got a shake in my legs and some blood in my cheeks. Here goes the outcast, making his debut. It's hard to tell a lie, but harder to tell the truth. It's lunchtime now, and she in the room of books, studying hard like a good girl should. We in the same math class, so maybe that could help me come up with a line, but my brain's still empty. Can't stop now, so I tap her on the shoulder, hoping I got luck like a 4-leaf clover. I'm kind of scared and I'm kind of happy. Then she turns around and she smiles right at me. Don't know what to say, but I hope it goes okay. As long as I'm with you, I got a little bit of faith, yeah.